When I was a kid, I used to play the GTA San Andreas, GTA Vice City. Well, this is the game which I like the most. Right now, sometimes when I get bored now, I also play these kind of games. Well, friends, I'm having my real life, and when I play the game, I just go into deeply into my gaming life. Okay, in that particular gaming life, my character is different. I'm Carl Johnson, and I'm having enough money to buy cars, buy bikes, whichever things I like. I can date a girl in that particular specific virtual gaming reality. So friends, I can do anything I want to be. I can have anything in that gaming reality. So when we compare the gaming reality and the actual reality, it is very different. But friends, over here, the Facebook has like taken a further step into future. Like they have introduced the Facebook Meta. This particular Facebook Meta is nothing but the Facebook Metaverse. Well, friends, over here I'm talking about a metaverse, like which is exactly parallel to your life. That's basically virtual life which is exact similar to your real life. Well, friends, uh, in earlier days, like just right now, like Marvel has introduced the idea of multiverse in their movies, and Facebook right now they have trying to implement this metaverse. Like they think that the Facebook is not just a social platform. Like Facebook is more than a platform that connects different peoples all around the globe. Right now, friends, like we can have video calls, we can have a crystal clear voice calls. Like in the video calls we can have 2D interactions with the people. But friends, over here in this particular metaverse, like we can have 3D interaction. We can actually touch and we can feel the people. Like one of your friend, it is who is there in Delhi, it can interact with his friend who is there in Chennai. Like they can like go to shopping, they can play football, they can have some work together, they can learn together, they can eat together. So like this is the basic concept of metaverse. Like friends, in this particular video we are going to talk about the metaverse. How does this metaverse will implement, what is the exact plan of the Facebook, and what is the exact plan, what is the Facebook, what are the consequences of the metaverse, that I'm going to explain in this particular video. So friends, if you are new over here on my educational channel Genius Academy, kindly subscribe it and please don't forget to press the bell icon, because whenever I upload this kind of educational stuff, educational videos, you will get instant notifications. So friends, let's explore the science behind the metaverse. So friends, have you ever imagined like before 10 years, like you can actually make a video call to a person who is staying miles away from your home? Like have you ever imagined that, like 10 years before or 20 years before? Like it seems very impossible to us at that time, but right now it's possible. We can do a lot of things by using internet. We can do a lot of things by using Facebook. So this is the reason like Facebook have introduced the Meta. This particular Meta, it is like you can see, it is an infinite kind of the sign. The logo itself says that there are infinite possibilities you can do on in this metaverse. So basically friends, at the beginning Facebook have introduced the Oculus, that is a VR headset, and that is basically for the gaming. We can immerse ourselves into the gaming, we can carry out the gaming, we can have a different avatar in that particular game, and we can complete the task, we can complete the different missions in that particular game, and we can enjoy. Well, right now friends, this gaming experience is very awesome, let me tell you that. So this particular gaming experience, we can turn that particular gaming experience in our real life by implementing this metaverse. Like this particular metaverse, in future, like the students, but just by using this VR headset, can come to their colleges, can attend their courses, can attend their classes just because of this VR headsets, by using the metaverse. Friends, we can actually implement this particular metaverse and it has got some potential applications. So friends, right now when you log in into your Facebook account, you can see there are different artists, different educational institutions, galleries, your friends, and different uh, services they are they have offered. You can buy something on Facebook. Facebook having its own marketplace. So all this occurs in a 2D platform. But suppose when it get so suppose after the implementation of the metaverse, like it will completely changed into a 3D virtual world, which is actually parallel to your real world. In the 2D state condition, like you can check out the website of that particular showroom, suppose Chroma Store. So you can check out the Chroma Store website. You can order something by just scrolling down, by checking it out, and you can actually buy something on the website itself. So now this particular buying experience, it can be very interesting by using this metaverse. Suppose you have logged in your account in your metaverse. You have created your profile, you have created your avatar, like you have created your avatar in metaverse, and then you can actually walk into any store you want, and you can have a detailed conversation with the representative which is there in that store, which is already get connected to the metaverse. Just like over here in the 2D form, the different like Chroma Store, different stores, online stores got connected to this Facebook. But over here in the metaverse, like these stores will get connected into the 3D, so that you can actually have a conversation, you can actually have a real world like conversation with the representative in that particular store. You can have negotiations, that person will explain you all the details about the product, and we can have a 3D interactions. So this particular 3D interaction will make your experience much smoother, much faster. So that was the basic idea of the metaverse, and this particular metaverse will going to implement, and the beginning is just started. So friends, as this is the advancement in the technology, this is the revolution in the technology which is taking place. Like there is a combination of the virtual reality VR and the AR, that is augmented reality. Also there is AI, artificial intelligence, and remote sensing technologies. So friends, this is the reason Facebook rebranded into metaverse. So this is nothing but the digital realm. Like you can choose any of the different avatars. You can be a warrior, you can be a leader, a businessman, a person who is from the rich family. You can do anything in this metaverse. You can actually schedule different meetings, you can hang out with your friends, you can go for a shopping, you can go for a dinner date, you can go for a trek on this particular metaverse by interacting with the people remotely. In that particular metaverse, you can shop anything you want by using the cryptocurrency, by using the digital wallets. So friends, like around 10 years before, like when you think about the cryptocurrency, like it seems very dangerous. At that time we thought that this particular cryptocurrency will never be the face of the real currency. Like but nowadays friends, the most of the people started investing in the cryptocurrency. Like from last 8 to 10 years, the cryptocurrency industry is in a boom right away. So like this particular digital decentralized currency, so now this particular metaverse will also work in a decentralized platforms, like in a decentralized manner. Like there is no centralized government who, or is there is no centralized authority, or there is no any centralized validation which is required to run this kind of metaverse. So just like the cryptocurrency, like it does not associate with any of the bank. Like it is completely decentralized. The internet is like we can say it is decentralized up to certain extent. But like our governmental bodies or as the giant tech companies, they having a certain control over the internet. So friends, this particular metaverse will be a complete decentralized network. Before the years, I used to draw by using the drafter, but right now I can draw on AutoCAD, Autodesk, Inventors, like all the 2D modeling, 3D modeling softwares are there. In the future, the students can be able to use the augmented and the virtual reality to design a gear teeth, to design the different complicated machineries, different complicated parts in case of the robots, just like we have seen in the Iron Man movies.
about this winding up in the wrong hands.
So we can have that much of technological advancement. Friends, there is no start, stop, pause, and reset button in this metaverse. There is this particular metaverse is a continuous, endless possibilities which are embraced into a single metaverse or in single virtual world. It is continuously growing and it does not have any of the end. Like when you are doing something in the metaverse, when you are reading a book, you can then you can switch out. You don't need to go outside of the metaverse. You can do anything in the metaverse itself. So over here the possibilities are endless. There are no boundaries, no limits. Over here, friends, let me tell you one concept of dystopian and utopian. Like after implementing this metaverse, like what if, like our society can be dystopian or else it can be utopian as well. Like in a particular dystopian society where nothing is right, where like all the government bodies, the people, there is a lot of destruction in the dystopian societies. Although there is the revolution in the technology, there is some amount of the destruction. There is destruction in the societies. There are clashes between the political parties. There are clashes between the governments. So that leads to the destruction. Or else it can be utopian as well, where the human rights were served very easily. It is a society where we can live peacefully by implementing this advanced technology. So friends, please tell me what you think about this advancement in the metaverse. Like how our society will lead to, like in which direction it will lead to, dystopian or it will lead to utopian. Like just tell me in the comment box. Also friends, this particular metaverse, like it is a virtual reality, but it can connect with your reality as well by using the internet of things. Right now we can play any kind of the song by using the Alexa. We can control the different devices at our home by using the internet of things. So like we can monitor, we can switch between the virtual reality and our by conserving our reality. So over here, friends, Facebook is not only the single tech giant that started this metaverse. Like this particular concept of metaverse is very vast. And earlier, like Fortnite, you must have played the game of Fortnite. This is completely owned by Epic Games. Now that particular Epic Games, they have also started working on the concept of metaverse. They have created a, like recently in the around August 2021, they have carried a virtual concert where the different people having different player profiles in a Fortnite itself can join in that particular concert and can enjoy the Ariana Grande, like she was dancing and singing all around. So like friends, in this way this metaverse will change our future, will change our life. But what happens in the things go in a wrong manner, in a wrong way? Like over here the biggest problem is the hackers, the security. So what about that? Like friends, in the metaverse, like suppose there is a crime, so how can we monitor that in that particular metaverse? There, like, so for this, like Facebook is trying to correlate with the different governments, human rights, different educational institutions, like different non-profit organizations, and it is gathering the data. How can they make a decent and a responsible metaverse? So for this, Facebook have like invested $50 million in the XR research and the fund. So that particular research program, which is connected to the different bodies, and that will research on this concept of this metaverse. So friends, what do you think about the metaverse? Please tell me in the comment box. If you like my video, please hit like. And if you think this metaverse will change our future, where no limits, where this is the completely boundaryless, there are no boundaries. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video on the metaverse. Also, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and please do help my educational channel Engineers Academy on patreon.com. So thank you so much for watching this educational technological video.